Alright fam, I done got off early, so we're at Aldi. I need to do some grocery shopping, so I see you inside. And of course I didn't bring my bag. Lord. They done went up on these pizzas. Oh no, that's not good. Cabbage, carrots, and onion. They for $3.59. That ain't bad. Okay, I'm getting these. See, they got they. What kind of oranges is these? How much is that? $2.89. Sweet and seedless. Okay, I'm gonna get these. Salad. Do I need any salad? I want me some baked chicken today. Yeah. So I'm oh, they didn't went up on this darn salad. That one don't look too good. This stuff used to be what, 69 cents? Somewhere up in there. Okay. Get some celery. $1.29. See the darn tomatoes. $3. 2 for 6 for 6 of them. I really don't need no tomato. Let's see. I need an avocado though. 79 cents. Give me some green peppers because I don't know how much those multicolor peppers is. Good Lord, y'all see the size of this darn thing? Look how big that pepper is. Why these darn peppers so big? Look at it. That's just huge. That's bigger than my hand. Look how big these darn peppers is. What is going on with this? Look at this. I like small bell peppers. I don't want no really big ones. Because that means they're putting too much fertilizer on. Ain't the fertilizer that they use? That one ain't no good. Hope these things don't fall down. Because I sure don't feel like picking them up. And I'm going to have to pick them up if they fall down. Okay, I'm going to get these. That price. Or is it that price? Okay, it's that price. $2.49. Okay, the multicolor is $2.55. Okay. Dressing. I don't know what the deal with these salad dressings. With the expiration date on there. The paper coming loose. Okay, they done took the big bag of potatoes up to $4.29. And some onions. Dang, they done took these onions back up. Those is $2.29. Those is $2.55. The purple one is $2.25. What happened to Trump saying that he was gonna get the groceries down? Ain't that what that man said? Cause it seems like this stuff instead of going up instead of coming down. Okay, I'm gonna get these. That price. Alright. See, they got 50% off. They shredded lettuce. Oh, it don't look too good either. It don't look too good. Might have to get some spinach. Excuse me. That's the 8. They ain't got none that's longer date. I ain't got none that got a longer date. Because the date is 6. This go out on the 9th. I don't need no bread. I know that much. So let's go to the canned goods. Now y'all see that price right there? Well, that right there. See what I'm talking about? What they rung up? They got this stuff in the wrong spot probably. I'm gonna get 2 cans of peas. 2 cans of mixed vegetables. And some cream style corn and whole corn. Oh, I get 1 mixed vegetable. And that's the price for that one. Price for that one. I'm gonna need some green beans though. That's the French style. I don't want that kind. You can get a can of these for that price. Of course, you know I gotta get one of these. Alright. So let's go back here to the meat. What is that making all kind of noise? That sandwich meat. I went up to $5. I guess I need to leave my budget right there. Get some starches. $2.39. Get one of these. $16. $3.89. Okay, they done finally came down on the pork chops. I don't like that thing. Oh, they did. They still the same price. That's $8. 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that stayed in that $6. Trying to see if anything is. Okay, we got a $5. So I'm gonna get these 2 right here. Need some ground beef. I could get one of these and cook today. That's $8.99 for 8 kids. I think that's what I'm gonna do. $8.99. So this get this that price. Get a lemon pepper. $9.90. Okay, they got this bagel seasoning. Comment down below. Have y'all tried it? It's $1.69. I wonder what you put it on though. Y'all let me know before I buy this. I want to try it, but I don't know what you put it on. Oh, faithful cups of noodles. Get these. $2.55. Get one of these Beyond Cubes. They didn't even went up on the darn rice. Oh no, they didn't. I'm gonna get 2 of these. 95 cents. Plus, I gotta get some of these high price eggs. Okay. Trying to see what they got over here. I want me some chicken thighs. It's 8. It's 8 too. Bam, y'all know I be looking, trying to see which one is cheapest. Okay, I'm gonna get me some chicken thighs. Let's see how much these is. 5, 6, and 6. I really come out better getting that instead of 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Oh yeah. We get these. See how much the other one is. I gotta put way back in the bag. Okay, got over 7. We get these two right now. I want me some bacon. I can't afford it. We got the sausage, so that's gonna have to do. I need some butter though. How much they butter? Okay, we'll get that in here. For $1.38. Okay. The last thing I gotta get is some pancake mix. So I'm trying to see if they have anything new over here. I don't see nothing new. Oh, okay, they got the little pads. Memory foam pads for your back. $12.99. Okay, what is this? What is this? Okay, a laptop. Yes. Footstool for $19.99. Okay. My Aldi's don't never had nothing good. Nothing good at all. Oh, I need to check and see if like that sugar. $2.99 for this sugar. I need to get that. And I need to get some cornbread. 62 cents. Okay, let me get up out of all this, fam. Okay, fam, I done made it home. This is everything that I got at Aldi's. This should last a week and a half. Because by me working during the day, my husband working during the day, Monday through Friday, we don't eat breakfast in the morning time. Only time we eat breakfast is like on a weekend when we off and I cook breakfast. Or if I happen to be off during a weekday, then I eat breakfast. Other than that, I don't too much eat breakfast because by the time I start work, I leave, y'all know, 4 in the morning. So I'm not getting up no more earlier than I have to cook no breakfast. So let's see what I got. Okay, I'm going to cook this today. I know I said I was going to bake some chicken, but this, I'm going to put this in that crock pot and let it do what it got to do. So I got this for $8.99. I got the leg quarters for $5.66. That's a good price because I can cut these in half. So actually, this is like 2 meals right here, fam. I got another pack. This is going to be 2 meals. And it was $3.97. I was looking for some other ones, but the ones that they had in the back was $7, $8. And I said, I'm going to get them 2 right there, and I'm going to roll with that. I got some sausages for the days when I don't feel like cooking. We eat sandwiches. I got some egg rolls, too. They look good. I want to try them. Okay. I got breakfast sausages. I got some pork chops. I got another pack of pork chops. That's a pretty good price, $6.06, and I found that one for $5.19. I got some Jiffy Mix. Lazy day, don't want to cook no cornbread from scratch. Lazy. Then I got the avocado. I got some eggs, some onion. I got some celery. I got bell peppers. Got some butter because I was out of butter. Got some pancake mix. Y'all know I don't care what store I'm going to. I'm going to get me one of these. Because hubby be drinking it up. I got some noodles. I got some ranch. I got 2 boxes of the chicken flavor rice. I needed some sugar because I'm out of sugar. I got some bouillon cubes. I usually don't use these. I usually go to, what is that brand that I usually, I don't forget. But it's a Jamaican brand that I usually use. But she done went up on her price, so this will do. I got some lemon pepper. I got 2 cans of sweet peas. I got mixed vegetable, 1 can. I got cream of corn, cream style corn. Got some sweet corn. Got some green beans. I love me some green beans with some onions up in there. And put you a little bit of that, this up in there, them bouillon cubes. Oh my God, I can go to town then. And I got some oranges. So this is everything that I got. So let's look at my receipt. All right, here's my receipt. The price of everything. All right, it came to $76.35 subtotal. Look at that tax. $6, $7. You might as well round it off. I paid $83.22 for everything that I got with the meat. Stacks of meat. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you know when I upload another video. Give me the thumbs up. Until the next video, fam, y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.